Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Spider-Man. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve up. Then from each end, let's bring it down and in, meeting at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start on the top corners and let's draw two long curves down and in towards the center, leaving a small gap. And then let's curve it out and up underneath. Now we're going to hop in and draw a border. We'll start with a curve along the outside edge. And then two more curves to close it off. And now color these both in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's add the pattern on the mask. We're going to start in the middle and draw a hexagon shape. Let's start with two small lines. And then let's angle it out and in on each side. Now from the top corners, let's bring it up with two angles. And then a line up in the center in the middle. Then from the bottom corners, let's draw two curves down. And then two more under the eyes. Now we're going to work our way around, adding curves in between each of the lines like this. And the same thing in the bottom section. This time we're going to curve it upwards. And when you're done, it should look like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and add the body. Let's start with two lines down for the neck. And then let's curve it out for the shoulders. Now let's leave a gap. Let's hop down and let's draw two angles in for the sides of the body. And then let's angle it back out. Now across the center here, let's draw the waistband with two bumps in. And two angles down underneath. Now let's hop back up and let's add the arms. Let's draw an angle down from the shoulders. And another angle underneath. Now let's add a bump inwards. And let's bring it in from the elbow. Now at the ends here, let's draw the hands. Let's add a bump up at the top. Now let's add a curve along the body and back out. Now that we have the shape of the upper body, let's move in and let's draw the pattern. Let's start by adding the spider logo on the chest. Let's draw 2 curves meeting at a point at the top and bottom. Now on each side, let's angle it out and curve it up for the first set of legs. And then let's thicken it up slightly. Now let's add another smaller set on top. Now we're going to do the same thing going down underneath. And lastly, let's color the body in black. Now that we have the spider, let's draw the pattern. Let's start on each side and let's draw a curve down. Then let's curve it out along the arms. And then let's add a curve across underneath. Now let's add the web pattern. Let's start underneath the head in the center and let's draw a line down to the spider. And then continue it below. Now let's hop back up and let's draw 2 more lines down. And then angle them out underneath. Now let's add 2 more angles down on each shoulder. And then let's add some curved lines along the top of each arm. Now let's add the curved lines in between. Let's start in the neck and let's draw some bumps across. And the same thing underneath. And again, underneath here. Then let's add 2 more bumps in the center across the spider, and then 2 more below. Now to add the pattern on the gloves, we'll start by drawing 2 long lines down along the length. And then let's add the curved lines across in between. And lastly, let's hop in and let's draw the pattern on the belt. Let's start with 1 line down in the center, and then 1 more on each side. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's hop down and draw the legs. Let's start in the center and let's draw a small curve across. And then 2 angles down and out underneath. And let's do the same thing on the sides. Now for the calves, let's draw 2 more lines down on each side. And then a bump down in the center. And a curve out for the tops of the feet. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve just underneath the knees. Then let's add the web pattern with 2 lines down from the top. And then curve it down to the bottom. And then let's add the curved lines in between. And that's it for Spider-Man. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!